Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to update apps on Android. First of all, go for your Play Store app on your mobile. Then go for your profile over here. Then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now you can see here I have 32 updates pending here. So if you just tap on update all, then you can update all of your pending updates, then you can update all of it. Or if you wanna just update one app, then go for it and update any of it from tapping on the update button. So yeah, that's how you can update apps on Android. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.